Check these sand dunes.
I think the ocean isn't even a kilometre.
No, the ocean's just other side those dunes.
Alright. That took forever.
Wow. Elands Bay is an extremely small community.
With a lot of free spirits.
Yep. It definitely looks that way, eh?
It does. And they say leave nothing but your footprints on the beach.
I agree with that 100%. There's a certain word I'm looking for and I can't think of it to describe this beach. I don't want to say wild.
Pristine.
It's just in its natural state. It just seems so untouched.
Very much off the beaten track, this place.
For sure. For sure.
So here one comes to chill. Stofgat, dust hole. I love that. What is a dust hole?
I've got no idea what a dust hole is. I know what a dust bug is.
Okay, well this is such a well-known place.
Yes. Now this is from the beach at Meisbosskerm. What a setting. Welcome to Lambert's Bay, Cedarburg Municipality. I'm surprised that it falls under the Cedarburg Municipality.
Yeah, I didn't know that either, but I'm happy to be here.
Oh yeah.
After a very long time. Look at
All the seagulls.
All the seagulls.
Yeah, and there's the bigger ones too. In the distance there, you'll see those birds flying over there. I don't know if those are seagulls or Cape gannets, eh?
Oh.
I can't see from here. But there is what they call Bird Island. And I wanted to go across there now to go and see, and they said no, it's closed because the waves are breaking over this wall. So it's pretty dangerous for us to cross to get to the island now. So they say they're only opening tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. So
we'll be back.
We'll be back. This is the caravan park here at Lambert's Bay. It's very big.
Looks very nice.
Look at this.
Okay, you mean gravel?
A little bit of gravel here ahead. Ah. Enter at own risk. Okay, I am. Just don't drive over the edge, eh?
Please don't. Very big campsite this side.
Massive,
Caravan park.
massive. This is quite nice down here, eh?
Very peaceful here.
Yeah.
Very quiet. I'm so surprised. The whole town has this quiet vibe.
Yeah. Let's look at the little apartment. This is it. The kitchen and lounge all in one. Got a TV too. We've got Wi-Fi. Like a bedroom. Bathroom, shower. And the main bedroom. Perfect. Okay, my angel, you found this place for us to come and eat. Tell me what you found out.
I saw on their Facebook page that they were the king of fish and chips, Isabellas Restaurant in Lambert Bay. So then I went down onto their Facebook page and I saw that I think it was Sea Harvest called out a competition for the best fish and chips restaurant.
In the country?
I think so, but I don't know. We'll have to check that with them. And then they were one of the top 30 finalists, and then they were crowned as the king of fish and chips.
Oh, okay, look,
As
check how
we
full
can
they are.
very well see how popular they are.
Exactly.
So,
That must be it, eh?
so
Yes, ma'am.
what did you order?
The hake and chips. That's what they won the king of fish and chips competition.
So we heard that they're the king of fish and chips on the west coast.
On the west coast, not the country. Well, we hope that they would be of the country, but it doesn't matter. West coast is part of the country, so it's cool.
And the setting is lekker, huh?
Very nice.
Really festive here.
Yeah, really nice. This is the dish they won the competition with. Hake and chips. And then Sonia got herself some crumbed mushrooms. I'm looking forward to this. Bon appetit. This is the church in Lambert's Bay. (1930). Ah. There's a plaque of 1930, 1965, and then 2007. Half a century. Ah, look at this. Beautiful. You see that?
Realistic.
It looks so real. I thought it. I can't believe that's painted. I thought that's for genuine.
I did think that's the real dog.
Yeah, that's well done, eh? That is brilliant. Bokom Blommiekie. We just come back home after having a lovely dinner, and gonna go upstairs and chill for the rest of the evening. Download all the videos that I've taken today. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe down below, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.